I have in front of me an EasyBuy Dahoo 8-way network CCTV recordable kit. It includes 6 2-megapixel cameras and a 2 terabyte hard drive that will give up to about 8 days of recording. You have all the cabling you need and all the cameras, so complete kit. When you go to set this up in your smartphone, it's just a matter of using peer-to-peer technology here. So it's a matter of scanning in the serial code and bringing it up in the phone. It probably takes about 4 minutes or so. And we have a video that guides you all the way through putting the app on your phone to setting it up and having it viewable, okay? So overall, we'll say the kit itself is very comprehensive. The NVR, it's important to remember, is 5 megapixel, so it means that at a later point you can add on some higher resolution cameras onto this. But 2 megapixel is still completely decent. It's equivalent of a high definition television channel. What we have here as well is we have a night vision on it up to 20 meters or so. So let's look at exactly what you get. So inside the NVR box here, you have the NVR, which you can see in front of us here. We have a total of 6 20-meter Cat6 cables here, which are used for connecting directly onto your cameras here. So you're using a single cable to run over to it, and the significance of that is that you don't need to have a local power supply, because all the power is supplied directly from the NVR itself, because it's using PoE technologies, so power over Ethernet. So basically the cable is both powering and taking the picture back to the NVR itself. So overall, we'll say the 8-channel kits are reasonably popular. 4 channels are probably slightly more popular. So what would be a typical application of the 8-channel would be, we'll say, for larger bungalows, standalone houses, maybe small commercial premises, something like that. This would be it. We've gone with 6 cameras with it, simply to give a capacity to add on 2 extra cameras or higher spec cameras, would say, to cover driveways, something like that, which the NVR itself is well capable of doing. Dahoo themselves are probably the 2nd largest manufacturer of CCTV equipment in the world at this point, and growing strongly. The technology they have is absolutely super, and the Easy range is priced extremely attractively. So normally they're focusing on the really high-end commercial stuff, but they decided to try to get into the domestic market as well. But in terms of quality of it, it's very equivalent to a lot of the commercial stuff that's out there. So overall, I think this is an excellent kit. Price point is good, and the technology is good, and the ease of setup is extremely impressive.